is that all about? That bottom lip just quiver?
I told you she does that.
And she's got her.
Just fell over.
Oh, it's so hard. Big.
I didn't. She's sitting there.
Life's rough.
She was doing that to Eddie earlier.
And then Sarah has blonde hair, so
I heard
she's
you
got a
burp.
mixture of brown and blonde.
Life is so
She's
rough.
had a rough couple days.
She won't burp when she sits up, but she'll burp if she's laying on her back or her side. Hi, cutie pie. Oh, don't cry. No whining zone.
Alright.
What?
I'm now.
Really?
Are you happy
Alright,
now,
you
Grandma?
online?
You got me crying.
Alright, go to friends on chat.
Get
and
that
type in my
damn
name.
camera out of my face, Grandma.
I just sent you the letter J, that way you can instantly go to it.
Alright.
Your pacifier.
Yeah,
See if
there
she'll
you go,
suck
you're
on
on.
that.
Now go